YouTube, so what's up? It's your boy TJ Ramney in the house, and as y'all can see, I'm gonna play NBA 2K17, my league. Alright, so the team I'm gonna go for is gonna be the I want injury fast, so I don't want to lose player. Alright, let's put wait. If 99. Okay, so the team I'm gonna do I'm just gonna do it. 3, 2, 1. The Atlanta Hawks. Alright, so yeah, whatever. Alright, so looking at this the roster, I'm trying no way try how he's not staying in this roster. Like I think the only guy who's untouchable in this team is Dennis Schroeder, but that's all. Alright, so look trade for Dwight. We have Paul Millsap as well. Jaleel and Dario, Derrick Rose, Harrison Barnes, Brook Lopez, 100 Run Drummond. Like I'm just looking towards straight right here. Like I'm getting a younger center. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna simulate to the end of the season and I'll see you then. Alright guys, so I'm here at the trade deadline and as y'all can see, my team is doing a little bit of what I expected. And before I go, then the shorter is leading the way with points per game, 17.5. Then Andre Drummond, then Tim Hardaway Jr., then Tobias Ferrer, then Ersan Ilyasova, and my favorite player in the NBA, Kawhi freaking Leonard. Alright, so let's find a trade for them two. Like I'm just gonna be trading like the two top stars for like someone, I don't know. Wait, whoa. Aaron Gordon, Gary Harris, and Danilo. Alright, so what can I give to for Dennis Schroeder then? Alright guys, so I'm gonna accept this deal. Dennis Schroeder and Mike Dunleavy for Jay Crowder and Marcus Smart. Welcome to the team, Jay Crowder and Marcus Smart. Alright, so this is what the rotation is looking like. Marcus Smart, Tim Hardaway Jr., Tobias Harris, Harrison Ilyasova, Andre Drummond, Jay Crowder, Davoso Folosa, Mike Muscala, Ken Bazemore, Terrence Prince, Chris Humphrey, Malcolm Delaney, Jose Calderon, DeAndre Bambury, and Brian Kelly. Alright, so let's simulate. I'll see you at the end of the season. Alright guys, so we're at the end of the season and as y'all can see, we're finished with the record of 46 and 36 and your MVP is Russell Westbrook. Have real life. Rookie of the Year, Joel Embiid. Kia sixth man of the year, Tyreek Evans. If we could load up, there you go. Defensive player of the year, Hassan Whiteside. Most improved player, Nicola Hockey. And coach of the year, of course, with the freaking Warriors. NBA first foul team, second team, and third team. Our defensive team, second team defense, rookie team. I really want to win this championship right here, so I'm going all in. Let's simulate the current Browns. No, there you go. What? The Philadelphia 76ers made it? The actual fuck. Alright, so we're gonna get. Okay, so as you can see, Kevin Durant is the finals MVP, and I'm gonna see you in draft. Draft lottery. Alright guys, I wasn't able to show you the footage of the draft lottery, but we ended up with the 21 overall pick. I'm gonna try to head coach. Oh, let's sign him to $6 million deal over 4 years. Let's see if he accepts that. He done? Okay, I don't care. NBA draft. This is the most important thing to be. So I'm gonna try to get fully and probably Andre Drummond, which I can probably get like first overall pick. What the hell is this? Oh my god, really? Hassan, Nicola. Like, I'm really going in for that. Alright, let's do this straight. Mike Conley, welcome to the Atlanta Hawks. Alright, but now we need to get a pick. Alright, I'll see you at free agency then. Alright guys, so we're here at free agency and therefore roster. We don't have any center. Wait, why the hell are we really? I want to. I don't especially like it. Alright, so we have 2 point guards, 2 small forwards. We need shooting guard. I'll see you after when we sign up. Alright guys, so I cannot get both of them, so let's see. No, wait. Did we just get continuous casual pop? Yes, we did. Welcome to the team. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see you at the beginning of the next season. Alright guys, so I just simulated the rest of the off season, and this was after right now. It was Mike Conley at point guard, Marcus Smart and John Livingston, and Tim Hardaway Jr., and then Ben Simmons, and then Labor Allen, and then Andrew Bogut. Like, I really look to upgrade that center position. I'm gonna simulate to the first trade. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, it's gonna be more. I'm gonna try to do this trade. I don't know if they will accept it. It's gonna be Marcus Smart, Jake Crowder, the 2018 first round pick, 2018 first round pick from Minnesota, the 2019 first round pick, and then the 2020 first round pick. They're all protected and worth for Carl Anthony Towns and Ricky Rubio. Like, I don't know if it was said. And I don't care. I'm just trying to win the championship. Okay, so there's the roster now. It is looking great. Carl Anthony Towns, Mike Conley, Contavious Caldwell Pope, Ben Simmons, Shorty be another, and then Carl freaking Anthony Towns, Ricky Rubio, the sixth man. I like to see. Alright, so I'm gonna simulate to the end of the season and see you there. I hope we win a lot of games. Alright guys, so this team actually sucks. So the MVP is LeBron, Rookie of the Year, some guy named Earl Holly, NBA sixth man of the year, if Andre Drummond. Whoa. Oh, he's been good with the group. I traded him there. Defensive player of the year, Rudy Gobert. Most improved player. My second favorite player in the NBA, behind Kawhi Leonard. It was, of course, Carl Anthony Towns. Coach of the year, Town. So we went 39-43. That's a bad record. Like for this team of Carl, Ben, Mike Conley, Ben, Ricky, team. Like, I don't think we're gonna make it out of the first round because we're going up against the Cleveland Cavaliers. Okay, nope. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of this series. I'm doing just a 2-year video, and the Cleveland Cavaliers are once again NBA champion for how many years? I think that's for 3. Also, barely 2 championships. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end. I hope you enjoy and subscribe please. Bye.